This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about table runners, specifically this RW Eco Kraft table runner. It's made of recyclable Kraft paper, and it's 16 inches wide by 98 feet long. So it's a nice long roll you're gonna get with this. This Kraft paper runner is that perfect rustic yet eco-friendly touch for your table setups. And as a plus, the paper is made without bleaches, dyes, or fragrance. It's a great base for grazing tables or other communal eating experiences like a crawfish boil. You can just cut it to your desired length after rolling it out, making it fantastic to take especially to off-site jobs where you might have various tables of different sizes. You don't need to worry about having different size table runners. You can just cut these as needed. So you can also cut short lengths to do things like make quick placemats for place settings, and these can be customized as well. You can use things like Sharpies and other markers or food-safe writing utensils to do things like menus, label dishes that are going to be put out, or even use it as a seating chart. You can do a nice little script there and write everyone's names on their places. So this is a fun way to display not only foods, but also kind of customize that table setting and setup, making these perfect for caterers, barbecue joints, or seafood places for a variety of creative, easy, and fun rustic setups.